For quick installation, type pip install -r requirements.txt to install all the requirements. And after installing all the requirements, you have to download this model by typing python m space e download and then the name of the model. Run the application by typing python code.py. The moment you type python code.py, it will take some time, like 5 seconds. The application will appear on the window. After that, you have to type the question. For example, where is python path in Windows, and press enter and wait for like 5 to 10 seconds, and you will see the relevant answer appear on your screen. You can see the answer and you can scroll up and see the question which was given to us. To see all the other answers and relevant questions, you can use these arrows. For example, if I press next answer, it will give me another answer which was relevant to this question, and if I press this next thing again, this will give me another answer, and this way we will get other answers which are less and less relevant. So now try to understand what happens in the back end. So we can clearly see we typed where is python path in Windows. So in relevant tags deciding phase, the program initially decided the tags are where close, python, path and Windows, but it then removed the tag where close from tag as it is not in context. So how our program came to know that where close used here is not a where close in MySQL or in other Stack Overflow questions like DBMS questions, which is a relevant tag, but it is a where as a English. The way it understood is because of the custom model which we trained on Watson Knowledge Studio. So after doing this, I deployed the model to natural language understanding, and that natural language understanding model is used in our code. So after that, we get some relevant tags, and with these tags and the title of the question query, we do a search on Stack Overflow using an API. We get 30 questions. Out of these 30 questions, we remove some of the questions which are closed, not answered, or have negative scores. And then we go to the phase second. In the phase second, we actually do data science, and with the questions which are left, for example 17 questions are left here. So on those 17 questions, we take out some features based on the semantic of the title and match it with the semantic of the query which was asked by the user, and also the tags which were there in the user query and the tags and the title which was written by the Stack Overflow API. So we try to match up how many of the tags were match and how many did not match. So we make a complex function which actually tries to rank the question's relevancy, and after that we take 5 questions based on those ranks, and those 5 questions are then further accessed and are used by API to get the top answers of those questions based on users reputation, users badges, and if that answer is accepted or not. And then it was returned to this PyQt application, where we can clearly see that the answer is very relevant and that answer is ranked according to the relevancy. Now instead of where is python path in Windows, I will type where in SQL uses, and I press enter, and now I will see something happening on the back end, and I clearly see that this time where clause was not removed from the final text. The reason was because our custom model was trained to know that which is useful and which where is not useful, but here this where is useful because where is used in the context of SQL. So we get the best answer, that is where in a SQL query. I hope you like the solution. See you in IBM Hack Challenge.